Hello, and welcome to Imanni Music Mental Health Weekends. My name's Imanni. I write music for mental health awareness. Usually, I'm here talking to you about music, but this weekend, I want to tell you a little bit about mental health in the moment. Why am I showing you me microwaving food? Because eating is something I kind of struggle with when I'm depressed, and also when I'm stressed or overwhelmed. So, how do I make sure that I eat? How do you make sure that you eat so that your body doesn't suffer, which will lead to your mind suffering too? Because, as we talked about before in music lessons, there's a mind body connection going on. So, if your body's hurting, your mind's going to start hurting. If your mind's hurting, then your body's going to start hurting, and vice versa. Personally, talking to myself or talking to another person helped me. So when I made a draft of this video that I deleted, and in that video I told myself I'm going to microwave some food, which encouraged me to actually put the food in the microwave. I'm also a big fast food type of guy, but I don't want to eat fast food all the time because you shouldn't eat fast food all the time. It's kind of like, honestly, I probably shouldn't eat fast food altogether, but that's a whole nother problem. What I do to create a situation that's similar to eating fast food is I have Tupperware. So I put food in Tupperware so that if I wake up in the morning and I'm depressed and I don't have motivation to eat, the very moment that I realize, okay, it's time for me to actually put some food in my mouth and eat, I can go to the kitchen. I go inside of the refrigerator. I take out the Tupperware. I put it in the microwave. I don't have to prepare the food. When I'm really stressed or feeling overwhelmed, the whole idea of cooking, hence like literally everything here. So music is one of the biggest things in my life that I love doing that helps my mental health. And then the thing underneath that is cooking. So I love making pies. I guess baking. I put cooking and baking together. I love making pies. As you can see, the pie stuff is here. I have not yet made the pie yet. So hence I will be using strategies discussed in this video to help me actually cook this. But when you're feeling overwhelmed, you're not encouraged to make food. Hence why that's still sitting over there, because I've been feeling overwhelmed this weekend. So I say this for you and for me. Remember to eat. It's important. Track your food if you have to. I do sometimes, depending on how badly my mental health is doing. So, my cool cats out there, I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. I hope this helped. This has been Imanni from Imanni Music. I will see you at the next video.